Good morning, Saints. Today, as we honor our veterans, we reflect on the courage, the sacrifice, and dedication they've shown in serving their country. The Bible reminds us in the book of John 15:13, greater love has no one than this, that someone laid down his life for his friends. So, this verse beautifully captures the selfless love embodied by those who have served in the military, willing to lay down their own lives for the freedom and safety of others. It's a reminder to cherish our freedoms, which have come at a great cost, and to recognize the incredible acts of bravery our veterans have made on our behalf. As we honor Veterans Day today, let us not only express gratitude, but also lift them in prayer, asking God to bring peace, healing, and strength to those who have endured the hardships of service. For many, the experience of war and conflict have left deep scars in their lives, both visible and unseen scars. Let's remember the power of prayer and unity, knowing that God can restore and renew. May we also be inspired by their dedication to seek ways to serve and uplift others in our own lives and communities. May you be blessed and thank you for your service. I greet you in Jesus' name. Shalom.